Artificial intelligence systems, popularly known as smart systems, have become the most preferred systems in the last few years due to their ability to execute tasks intelligently with little or no human intervention. As a result, AI integration and solutions are fervently awaited in each and every sector. Techedge Unique Solutions Private Limited proffers innovative and smart solutions alongside consultancy in the domain of drones, smart manufacturing, smart and lightweight materials, renewable energy, smart defense systems, health 4.0, smart cities and electric vehicles. The company networks with industries, PSUs, government, defense, academic institutions, health and infrastructure sectors through a dynamic ecosystem comprising connoisseurs from top-notch institutes, industries and organizations to address the long-awaited demands. Techedge strategy makes it an unfading partner as it strongly believes in learning followed by customized solutions to meet the business aspirations of its valued clients. The company's vision is to establish a sturdy platform and fountainhead for futuristic solutions and consultancy by leveraging the opportunities and gaps, yield its benefit to contribute to a smart, adaptive and eco-friendly society. For realizing its vision, the company focuses on 4 core values. Venture, to identify, solve, resolve and dissolve the life problems of different sectors. Perfection, to progress every single assignment to the highest standards. Trust, to gain the confidence of the stakeholders through proactive engagement. Partnering, to network with similar organizations for exploring multiple prospects. The company will provide innovative and smart solutions in 8 domains. Customized drones for safety and surveillance, 3D mapping of infrastructure projects, disaster management, agriculture, wildlife conservation, law and order, wireless internet access, shipping and delivery, among others. To meet business objectives and support all functional aspects, Techedge Unique delivers smart manufacturing solutions for enhancing system-wide visibility, production automation, supply chain optimization, machine health monitoring, factory conditions evaluation, human-machine relationship, and business model evolution. Techedge Unique Solutions also harness the strength of smart and lightweight materials to provide solutions in the areas like structural applications, vibration and noise reduction, smart packaging materials, smart concrete, magnesium alloys for medical implants, lightweight materials for aviation sector and lightweight materials for automobiles. The company at the forefront would deliver custom-made, futuristic and agile solutions for healthcare affiliates such as electronic health records, advanced clinical framework, patient-centered care, health fog, health cloud and health insurance to make possible the mutation from heritage equipment to match the rapidly evolving and escalating wants of the new AI habitat. We at Techedge Unique will provide customized solutions for defense forces using AI and cyber-physical systems in the areas like smart armored fighting vehicles, lightweight smart bulletproof, long-range imaging, virtual and agile battlefields, wireless sensor networks, edge intelligence-enabled systems, CPS-aided artillery guns, smart structures, hyperspectral imaging, pattern recognition, unmanned aerial surveillance, and reinforcement learning. With deleterious global warming effects becoming the center of attention, the staggering shift towards renewable energy is visible across all corners. We at Techedge Unique provide customized AI solutions in energy forecasting, energy accessibility, energy efficiency and associated areas. The landscape of smart cities offers a plethora of opportunities. The company would extend support and solutions for intelligent transportation systems, vehicular networks, smart gadgets for safety and security, smart traffic management, and overspeeding monitoring. Techedge would provide smart solutions to embolden electric vehicle industries. The company will provide expertise for AI-aided smart batteries, solar-operated smart batteries, wind-operated smart batteries, battery health monitoring system and smart battery recycle system. Converging technologies to develop smart, adaptive, cost-effective and sustainable systems and products is the most sought-after proposition for any business as it generates significant economic value. Techedge Unique Solutions incessantly strives and proffers opportunities for industries to harness this desired value. Come and grow with Techedge Unique Solutions, empowering communities through smart technologies.